Hi guys, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Claire and today I'm going to be sharing a yoga sequence with you guys all about yoga poses to relieve gas. So we're going to start this sequence on our mat today. So whenever you're ready, you don't need any equipment. We're going to start on our mat. If it's not rolled out, go ahead and join me here. But we are going to start crouched down on our knees to help us relieve this gas that we want to get out of our body, right? So the first yoga posture we're going to get into is called garland. So we're going to come onto our feet with our heels in and our toes pointing out. For this position, you really want to root down through the pinky toe edges of both of your heels here, and then gently open up your inner thighs and invite your knees out wide. To help, you can bring your hands to heart center and use your elbows to help push your knees out a little bit wider. You want to drop your tailbone down and really lengthen the spine up all the way through the crown of your head, so gently drawing that chin back towards the center line of your body. And in garland pose, we are bringing our knees above our hips, and this motion activates just the downward movement that we want to increase so the gas just leaves us. So whenever you bring your knees above your hips here, it's really telling your body to let everything go. So just taking a few breaths here, inhaling through your nose and exhaling down. Opening up your legs, lengthening the spine, breathing in deeply, and exhaling completely. One more breath here. And then staying with your legs exactly where they are, start to reach your hands forward towards the front of your mat or towards me, wherever you're facing. Palms facing in, bring your shoulders back in line with your socket here, and then continue to root down through your pinky toe edges of your feet. Breathe in, scoop your hands up, and then exhale your hands down. And find that gentle compression in your abdomen here. So you're massaging those internal organs, inhaling to lengthen, expanding, and then exhaling as you gently crunch it, lowering it down. One more like that, inhale. And exhale, really squeeze this time. So squeeze the edge, squeeze the organs, find that compression, massage the body here. Exhale out your air. And then gently coming back to heart center. Bring your hands down towards the mat here and gently come over so you're facing the top of your mat. We are going to start in a low lunge on this way, so step your right foot forward and then bring your left foot towards the back of your mat. Tent your fingertips on the mat and stack your right knee over your right ankle. So we're starting in this nice low lunge. It's a breath in, so we want to send our heart forward here, lengthening and opening up our chest. Plant your left hand down firmly in towards the mat here, and then reach your right arm up towards the sky, coming into an easy low lunge twist. So you want to keep your hips up. You don't want them sagging all the way down. You want to keep your hips up to keep the outer edge of your leg engaged. You can take your gaze to follow here, breathing in to lengthen and exhaling to twist. You want to find that twist here, massaging those organs, helping to relieve that gas here in this yoga posture. Maybe your gaze goes up, inhale, and exhale. You can step your right hand down towards the mat here. Step your right foot back to meet your left, starting in a high plank, and then switching out your legs. So step your left foot forward, in between your hands. Tense your fingertips on the ground here, and recalibrate your spine so your hips stay square towards the front. Your left knee is over your left ankle. Ground down through your right hand, and then coming to an easy twist on the left side, we're going to lift our left hand up towards the sky. Breathing in, exhaling to twist deeper. Keeping the hips lifted here, focus on that twist, inhale, and exhale. Last breath in, And as you exhale, draw your left hand down towards the mat here. Step your right foot forward and coming into a forward fold. So your hips are squared, your feet are about hip width distance apart, and you're just letting yourself hang heavy here for a moment. Releasing your head and your neck, and then compressing that lower abdomen here, and just hanging heavy. Start to walk your feet together so your big toes are touching and then your heels are slightly apart. We're going to bend our knees, drop our hips down, and then bring our hands to heart center. So coming into Utkatasana, chair pose here. You'll really want to squeeze those inner thighs together, but root down through the pinky toe edges of your feet. Pull the lower belly in, and then reach your hands up towards the sky. Take a breath in, and then exhale your hands back to heart center. Hinge your torso forward, and bring your left elbow to the outside edge of your right knee. Fingertips towards your face. Press the palms in towards one another. Inhale. Exhale, twist deeper. Drop your hips down 1 more inch. Find that twist, that compression. Relieve that gas in that air. Inhale. And exhale. Coming through center, reach both hands up towards the sky. Inhale. Exhale, hands back to heart center. Right elbow to the outside edge of your left knee. Squeeze those inner thighs. Press those palms in towards one another. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, twist. Breathe in. Breathe out. Reaching both hands up towards the sky. Inhale. Forward fold. Exhale. Straighten your legs. Bring your hands down to the mat. Walk your feet back so they're about hip width distance apart. And let your head and your neck hang heavy. Maybe bend one knee and then the other. That's a lot on the legs. So we want to show them some love here. Just allow yourself to release. Hang heavy. With any inversion, when our tailbone is up towards the sky, that's inviting the air to move out of us as well. Because we want to release all that gas and that air that's inside of our body. So we want to send it down to go up. Start to walk your hands forward towards the front of your mat. Step your feet back. Coming into downward facing dog, send your hips up towards the sky and melt your heels down. Really press into the heels of the palm here. Send your hips up and relax into this posture. Breath in and breath out. Nice job. Bend your knees and draw your knees towards the outside edge of your mat, coming on down towards the ground. Big toes connect, and then drop your hips down towards your heels, coming into a wide-legged child's pose. Still reaching your hands forward and relaxing your forehead on the ground. So we want our belly in unrestricted space to fully breathe in and breathe out. So we want that wide-legged position just to invite our belly that extra space that it totally deserves. Start to walk your hands back towards the center line of your body. Close your legs here. Coming into hero pose. We bring both of our knees together and we sit on top of our heels. We can remove any extra flesh underneath our sitting bones and then just bring your hands to your lap. Palm down, just to connect to our body here. We'll close our eyes. Just take a cleansing breath in and a relaxing breath out. Just letting go of any stress that our body is under. Allow yourself to surrender here as you enjoy the twist. Relieving ourselves of the air and the gas, just trusting our body knows what to do, keeping our mind calm. Bring your hands to heart center here, just honoring your body and your practice, and remembering to drink lots and lots of water to help keep things moving slowly and good. Thank you guys for joining. Namaste. Thank you guys for joining us today. It's been a pleasure to guide you through class. Hit the subscribe button if you like this video and want to check out some more, and I'll see you next time, okay?